Facts and factorizing. Last question in the exercise 22, question 12. I'll start you off on this just by giving you some ideas about how to go about it, and then you can have a go at the rest of the questions yourself. I won't spoil the fun of trying to work it out for yourself. This is quite an awkward one to look at the end, an extension activity if you're really getting what's coming before, and how it might be useful to see how it might be useful for simplifying algebraic expressions and maybe useful skills that could come along later. So if we look at this, there's no symbol that's common. Well, the y is not common to all four terms, but the y is common to the first two terms. So I couldn't take the y outside a bracket and leave something in with four terms inside, because there's no y in here. So I can't take a outside because there's no a in this term or this term. I can't take b outside because there's no b in this term or this term. So there's no symbol that's common to all four terms, but there is a y that's common to both of the first two terms. So I could take that outside the bracket, leaving a plus b inside the bracket. Oops, plus a plus b. Now, suddenly we can see that a plus b, if you think of this as a term in its own right, is common to both of these terms. If we think of there being like a 1 in front of the a plus b term here, there's like one lot of a plus b. So I could take a plus b outside another bracket. What have I got to times a plus by to get a plus b times y? Y. What have I got to times a plus by to get this second term? 1, because one lot of a plus b is a plus b. So, plus 1. So by partially factorizing, just factorizing these first two terms here, we suddenly see that in fact the answer, or the inside the bracket, is a term in its own right. It can be thought of as a term in its own right, and that's common to both of these two terms. So I can take that outside another bracket to get them the answer in the textbook. And that's the idea behind part 2 and part 3 of the rest of this question. So have a play with them and see if you can get the answer out. I'm sure you will.